Hi guys! Good morning. Now I'm here in Overview, Bukidnon. It's very cold here guys, so yeah, that's it. I'm on the top of the world. There you go. Now I'm going down to that area. I just want to check what is there. See, this one is the Lumad statue. So you have to be careful going down here guys, but if you were here, it's really nice and it really does a nice view. It's very cold, so yeah, that's it. I'm going down. There you go. There you go guys. See the mountain. Here you go, different. This one symbolized the musician before. There you go. That one she's using. So there you go, I'm going there now. This is like 3 hours travel from the city. There you go. As you can see, there's a lot of people in there. They're having pictorials as well. There you go. There you go guys.
Ano maulo mo kanina, Tichay?
See? There were the native dancers. Native dancers.
Kamu matulog ko. Tara, kinanas may may.
These are the native dancers here.
Ayo.
I'm just showing you the view guys. So it's like here. There you go. Showing you the native dancers.
Ikaw 30 apil. Pwede kay apit mo si Chay dito sa Arar ba? Kita yung view. Malak intras kita. Ayun. Muna? Dulo ba kay lapas man sa kwan? Tinas. Ube. Kwan.
These are the nice view overlooking.
Guna pa mo sa unado.
There you go. See rice field down there.
Kaibog na sad ka? Lulipap na sad? Katul?
Katul? Let's go na!
Ano naman?
There you go.
Talaga.
Sa Manuloy. Mamami.
Langgo? Saka ko yun. Inay. Bro, mo lagi ka.
Kay, aman imong tumbler kay.
Now I'm gonna set this up right here. Hi! There you go, guys. If you want to relax, forget the city life, and smell some fresh air, just come and visit Overview in Bukidnon. But it's like, even it's so cold here, but I just want to feel the breeze. I don't know, not the breeze, fresh air. But so nice here, so refreshing. I just didn't expect that I'm gonna come to this area because it's not really part of the plan. But when I saw a lot of people coming up here, so yeah, I just decided to check it out. Even it's so cold here, but I just love to experience things which are not in common. So I'm tired of living in the city, so that's why we decided to come here in the Bukidnon. But the view was so amazing, and it's very it's very nice there, guys. I really wanted to go back up there, but I'm still tired because I still have to make pictorials after this video. Anyway, guys, there's a lot more actually. Okay, I can show you the upper part of this overview. So I'm gonna take you there and see what else we can see in this area. Right there. So, of course, when you come here, guys, you have to bring at least juice or water because you really have to take a walk to the stairs. There you go. So beside the stairs, there you go. There you go. There you go. Oh guys, I'm tired. I'm tired. See how many steps? Oh God. Huh? Ooh. I will just show you the there's a lot of statues up there. Whew. Ha! See, I'm a bit far already, but I'm still going back to that area because I need to take some pictorials. Whew. There you go. showing up the nice part of Bukidnon. And there's a lot more. There you go. There you go. Oh, they also have the Mama Mary here. If you want to pray, we have this Mary. There you go. And if you come to this side as well, you can see some shed where you can enjoy taking your tea. See? It's good when you are with your family and friends here. So there's a lot. So one more thing here. This statue showing us this gentleman out there is using a flute made up of bamboo. Okay, so these are the indigenous people of Bukidnon. So oh guys, there you go, right here. There you go. There you go. And last thing, as you can see, there's a lot of people doing pictorials. You see the statues up there? It's there. It's like they're asking for maybe some blessings to come. And of course, these are the people who are on the tribe who play music. There you go. So these are their ways. I don't know what are they doing. I really don't understand what are they doing. So there you go. Very nice in there. So that's it, guys. There you go. See the hill there. I still have to make pictorials downstairs, so I need to go back. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you like the super nice view here in Bukidnon. Don't forget to subscribe in my YouTube channel, Rachel Abba. Just click and smash the notification bell. Thank you.